Hello world! Hello Philippines! Today we're going to explore the Philippine Region 10 or the Northern Mindanao. Northern Mindanao has its 5 provinces, mainly known as the Bukidnon, Camiguin, Lanao del Norte, Misamis Occidental, and Misamis Oriental. Let's go!
Camiguin, the capital of Camiguin is Mamburao. Mamburao is a third-class municipality. Camiguin is known for beautiful landscape, water attractions, cultural background, and a famous sweet lanzones. Let's explore to Camiguin.
Misamis Occidental is a province in the Philippines located in the northern Mindanao region. It's the capital of Oroquieta City. Misamis Occidental is also known for beautiful waters and bountiful seafood for export. Let's go to Mamburao.
Another province in Region 10 is Misamis Oriental. The capital city of Misamis Oriental is Cagayan de Oro. Misamis Oriental is known for its Ventral limestone forest, and it is also the home of the endangered species turtle. Let's explore more to Misamis Oriental.
Another provinces of Region 10 is Bukidnon. Bukidnon is known the mountain dweller and the highlander. Bukidnon means is the food basket of the Philippines because being a main producer of bananas, pineapples, corn, and sugarcane. And the capital of the region of Bukidnon is Malaybalay City. Let's explore Bukidnon.
Let's go!
Lanao del Norte is nestled in northern Mindanao, and the capital of Lanao del Norte is Tubod, and they're known for its lake, cave, and sea and falls. Let's explore more in Lanao del Norte.